Welcome back. The Supreme Court has rejected a Republican-led challenge to President Biden's immigration guidelines. Two attorney generals from Texas and Louisiana said Biden's policy on which non-citizens to deport conflicted with immigration law. But in an 8-1 ruling, the High Court said the state AGs didn't have a right to sue in the first place. Scripps News national political reporter Ava Joy Burnett breaks down the ruling.
In a major win for the Biden administration, the Supreme Court ruled that two states did not have standing to challenge a key part of the administration's immigration policy.
And what the Biden administration set out to do is say, this is our parameters for doing this. This is our execution of the law.
In 2021, in the midst of immigration challenges at the southern border, and with an estimated 11 million undocumented immigrants in the United States, the Department of Homeland Security prioritized deporting non-citizens who are a threat to national security, public safety, and border security. But Texas and Louisiana sued the government, arguing for the deportation of all people who are in the country illegally, including those who pose little or no risk. The states argued they've incurred costs to supply services like healthcare and education to non-citizens. But the Biden administration argued that it had to focus its limited federal resources on people who are deemed a threat. In an 8-1 decision Friday, the Supreme Court ruled that the states had no standing to sue the Biden administration, with Justice Brett Kavanaugh writing that the federal government can prioritize immigration enforcement. Some immigration attorneys praised the High Court's decision.
As an immigration attorney, I'm ecstatic that they told them that they don't have standing, because this also speaks to other policies that may follow in the immigration realm, as well as policies that may be from somewhere else. If we allow states every time to have standing in these procedural ways, our executive branch becomes a non-functioning branch of government.
In a statement to Scripps News, Louisiana's Attorney General Jeff Landry said the state will continue pursuing every legal avenue to defend the rights of Americans injured by Biden's dangerous immigration policies. Texas Governor Greg Abbott said the state would continue to deploy the National Guard to turn back undocumented immigrants. Under the ruling, without money or manpower to expel everyone who's in the U.S. illegally, the Biden administration's plan to focus in on the most dangerous will now go back into effect.